Okay, so the very first thing that we need to do for the walnut banana bread is the almond milk, because we are going to be using almond pulp as a base in this bread recipe. Now, I love utilizing nut and coconut pulps when I'm making coconut or nut or seed milks, and using the pulps as bases in my breads. You can use it in cakes, donuts. There's so many wonderful things. You can dry in the dehydrator and then use it as a flour, for example. Now, when you're making almond milk, you can use soaked almonds. You would soak them for 8 hours, rinse them, or you can use soaked and dehydrated. Now, what I do when I get all of my nuts and seeds, if I do a big bulk order, then I'll do a big batch of soaking them all at once, and then I dehydrate them so that I have them ready to go, so that I don't have to remember to soak them. They're already activated. Those enzyme inhibitors and phytic acid is neutralized, so they're all ready to go. So you're gonna need 1 cup of almonds to 4 cups water. When you're making almond milk, you can change the ratio. Feel free to do that, because the less water you use, the thicker it is. So to make an almond cream, for example, you could use 2 cups of water. But in this case, we're just using the almond pulp, and then I'm going to use almond milk for my smoothies. So we're just going to go ahead and blend up these ingredients. It's very simple. And you are going to need a nut milk bag and a bowl as well. And I'll show you how we use that. So we're going to blend this up for about 30 seconds. Okay, so that looks good to me. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this through the nut milk bag. So I like to use a bowl that has a spout on the end so that you can just pour it into the mason jar. So then I'm gonna take a nut milk bag. These are really easy to get. You can get them on Amazon. They're just sold everywhere nowadays. It's super popular to make your own plant-based milks at home. And then you know exactly what is in it, right? There's no any additive ingredients, no chemicals, no preservatives. It's just almonds and water. And just get as much as you can. I'm just getting out all the liquid. We don't want to have too much liquid in the almond pulp that we're using in our banana bread, but we do want the pulp to be fresh. Okay, so now I'm just going to transfer this to my mason jar. Oh, it looks so delicious and creamy. Oh, wonderful. So there's our homemade almond milk. And then what you're going to do is you're going to just transfer the pulp to the bowl. You can just wipe it out just like how I did. You're going to transfer the almond pulp. And so this is what this looks like. So this is what the almond pulp looks like. You can see it's light and airy. So this is going to help give us that bread texture in the banana bread. Okay, so next we're going to make the date paste and then move on to the actual bread. So I will see you in the next video for that.